splash on me. $12 left to sell out. We're so close, y'all. Also close to 20K. Y'all hit that follow. Hey, Miss Hines. How are you, love? Yeah, it's $12 to sell out. I have Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay. Welcome in, welcome in. Thank y'all for joining. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way she squeezes that Texas sponge. Ella Langley has been doing her thing. I just want to hear so bad, it hurts so bad, it hurts so bad. She's a liver, the mother, the sister, while she was over in a mortgage of the love of her life. $12 to sell out. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. smells so good. Sending 8. Thank you. Okay, so we got $4 left to sell out. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, Lou. $4 left to sell out. Thank you. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you, Rachel, for helping. Hey, Monday. Thank you for the heart me. Yes, it's a liquid for $4. It's a pine. It's pine liquid, HEB pine. Sending. Thank you, Danny. Okay, we sold out. Thank y'all so much. I'm glad, thank you. Yeah, I think for the most part, my lives are always chill. Sometimes I'll be acting a little crazy. I don't think I'm gonna do a live tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do just a pre-sale for Friday. So I think tomorrow's live is gonna just be pre-sale. Because I have to buy all this stuff for Friday. And I'm trying to do a lot, so. They'll be $25. You need to message me pre-send, because I think I'm only going to grab one for the live, maybe. Maybe one. So, if y'all are wanting fabric softener, if you're wanting something for the live, DM pre-sent. DM. Hey, different. I'm sold out. That's far from usual. I'll be doing a live on Friday. I'll be doing a pre-sale live tomorrow for Friday, though. I probably won't do like a wintergreen live. I'll just get like a few. Hold on now. But I put my glasses on and I rinsed out my eye. Yeah, everything's in here. Naja, I texted you. Did you even text me back, girl? Sierra late. I might do a rinse later. Thank you for sharing the live, Jess. Jess, I haven't seen you forever. 60. I haven't seen you forever either. Yeah, it was yesterday. I think, yeah, I was texting you and I asked you how you were feeling. You were here. Your shop brand. That ain't don't happen. You've been moving. We're gonna need a live soon, girl. It smells so good because of the pine. Like, I know the rinse is gonna be good. I might do a rinse later. I have 8 sponges to rinse, so I'll do like 4 sponges at a time. And if we want to do fake rinses, I do have 2 pine panelin jugs. I'm sorry, not pine panelin. I have 2 HEB pine jugs. Those are 8. So we could do 1 jug for 4 sponges and then 1 jug for the other 4. Or however. I seen you were texting me. I'll text you back when I'm done. Y'all, this enchilada's waiting for me. Yeah, I can't believe I've been live for 3 hours.